Boy, it came, man. 126 is too much, you know. I wrote this song, you know. All my fans out there support for me. And women out there support for me too, you know what I'm saying? I need more women support for me, you know what I'm saying, in Detroit, um, anywhere. Germany, Japan, Puerto Rico, Turkey. It don't matter, you know what I'm saying? Support for me, women. You know, or women support for me, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's do this, man. Yeah, too much. Never too much, man. Too much. Yeah. Uh-huh. Too much, too much. Look, too much, too much. Check it. It's too much every time I hit the ground. When these people see me around, man, they all too much. I don't know what to say. People say I'm kind of crazy, but when I come around, man, this girl's amazing. What the heck, man? All in all, it's a kid. My girl, acting stupid, dog. But I ain't even tripping, and she acting so crazy. But I ain't trying to wear it 'cause I got other girls. Now I'm telling dog, I got too much on my mind. I ain't even playing, this is wrong. I'm coming around the days because my money's still flowing. But when I start to let it church, you should know me. And I ain't even thinking if a people be wrong. Look, I come around town, people see me. Yeah, I didn't graduate, damn, I'm still smacked up. But hold up, yes I did, I'm still moved up. You should know about me, I'ma still get moved out. Yeah, too much for them. Bryce came. That was that Bryce, you know, I felt about women. And I did graduate, went to FedEx, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, peace.